scallion babies learn to grow. Sunrise paints the fields anew. Yilan wakes in morning dew. Spinning around the rustic farm, gentle breeze, a rustic charm. Hands dive in the earthy soils, harvest dreams from family toils. Flying high, our hearts alive over Scenic green paradise. Tiara pancakes in our hands, flavors born from fertile lands. Yilan skies will touch your light, every frame of pure delight. Green fields call and rise above. This is Yilan farm and love. Zoom into the scallion rows, kids and parents laugh and pose. Rolling dough with crispy dreams, sizzle, flip, aroma streams. Farmhands share their time-worn tips, stories blend with pancake flips. Drum pulls back to valley views, love and laughter in every hue. Sunset's glow ignites the land, golden hues at our command. From seed to pen, from earth to sky, to celebrate what's grown nearby. Flying high, our hearts alive over Scenic green paradise. Tiara pancakes in our hands, flavors born from fertile lands. Yilan skies will touch your light, every frame of pure delight. Green fields call and rise above. This is Yilan farm and love. Rise above the morning haze, green fields stretch in golden rays. Yilan's charm beneath our wings, where every breeze and sunrise sings. Down below, the barn doors creak, kids are laughing, goats go meek. Feathers fly and ponies run, simple joys beneath the sun. From the sky we see it all, scallion dreams and animals small. Rolling dough with happy hands, crispy pancakes, farm fresh plants. Ooh, the fields are full of play, nature's joy in every frame. This is Yilan, bright and true, a sky-high view with a local hue. Ducklings waddle in a line, cows just chewing, taking time. A rooster calls, the sun climbs high, as flower dances through the sky. Knead the dough, then scallions green, fold it flat with hands so keen. Sizzle, flip, and there you go, a farm-made snack with a local glow. Love and care, drum wheels spin, the sky expands, capturing dreams on farmers' land. From the sky we see it all, goats that jump and pancakes fall. Whiskers twitch and flower flies underneath these Yilan skies. Families' laughter, sunny days, animals playing in warm hay. Scallion hearts were flying through Yilan's farm life, fresh and true. lake. Glass like waters gently wake. Ripples dance as oars glide through. Nature paints the perfect view. Soft reflections, morning breeze, framing skies with silent ease. From the shore to mountain lines, Yilan's beauty feels divine. From up above we ride the wind, chasing dreams where roads begin. See Jiaoku, the world below, rolling hills in golden glow. Fly so high, hearts open wide, Yilan's wonders on every side. Every frame a breath, a spark, we leave the ground but not the heart. See Jiaoku, the lookout stands, whispering tales across the land. Ridges stretch like ocean waves, endless green where spirit plays. Spin the lens and tilt it down, villages dot the peaceful town. Winding roads, the field so wide, nature's rhythm, Yilan's pride. From up above we ride the wind, chasing dreams where roads begin. See Jiaoku, the world below, rolling hills in golden glow. Fly so high, hearts open wide, Yilan's wonders on every side. Every frame a breath, a spark, we leave the ground but not the heart. Up where clouds and mountains lie, every second, every climb. From up above we ride the wind, in your skies we freely spin. You are lake to lookout hill, endless moments standing still. Capture peace, embrace the light, Yilan glows in morning white. Every shot a living art, Yilan soaring through our heart.